Hey everyone, this is Shaheer Rehman. I'm submitting my submission for assignment one, the job pitch. So I'm going to share my screen. We'll go over the job posting first, and then we'll continue from there. So this is the job posting that I chose. It's a cloud engineer role. The description is basically about um, cloud engineering. The responsibilities include designing, building, supporting secure, scalable AWS cloud environments with a strong emphasis on networking and infrastructure engineering. The role closely works with platform security and product teams to deliver resilient cloud solutions. Um, and it tells us that you need a bachelor or master's, 5 to 7 years of experience, 3+ years of hands-on experience, experience with scripting, Python, etc. It's an Ontario-based or hybrid role, and this is the compensation, including the benefits. The reason I chose this job posting is because of under the opportunity, it shows exactly what they're looking for. They're looking for someone to design, build, and support AWS cloud infrastructure with strong focus on networking. This is important when we'll go over to the LinkedIn. Um, so, manage VPCs, subnet, routing tables, NAT gateways, transit gateways, direct connect, Route 53. It also includes Terraform. These are all keywords that I'm using in my LinkedIn. Uh, security controls, IAM, security groups, NACLs, etc. Then it also talks about troubleshooting. This is um, where you could use CloudWatch, for example, DNS, routing, latency, architecture, security, etc., etc. So now when we go over to my LinkedIn, right away you can see that I'm a software engineering student at McMaster University. And the part that stands out is that I'm multi-cloud certified. So when you go over to my experience, mostly they'll click on the first one, and this is basically a startup company, a nonprofit organization that I helped build a website for. So everything in here, I used AWS to support the website. I used what database, what APIs I used. Then it goes into um, more details about Route 53, as we saw in the job posting, etc. Another experience, for example, would be right here. This is another startup company that I worked for, and we basically used to build websites for other companies. And it also includes how we use AWS S3, for example, for static files, architecture for the website. I worked on the back end, and I used Django and Python to create the websites. Now, another very important thing is I have a lot of um, certifications. So I have my Terraform certification. And if you guys remember from the posting, a lot of it had Terraform, as well as AWS, Google. Security was a big ask, as you can see. So that's also covered along with the other AWS certifications. So that's basically my job pitch. It aligns well with the job, and I have the keywords in there to support myself as well. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day.